You won't believe it, but Google may have just beaten the iPhone in its own game. Let's break down the showdown and see how Google has come prepared to challenge Apple's supremacy on multiple fronts. For years, Apple has held the crown when it comes to software longevity. However, Google is shaking things up by promising a whopping 7 years of software updates for the Pixel 8 Pro, outlasting the 5-year support for the iPhone. This is a significant victory for Google, as it ensures that your device remains up to date for years to come. In the never-ending climb of flagship phone prices, the iPhone 15 Pro Max asks for an extra $100 compared to its predecessor. In contrast, the Pixel 8 Pro comes in at a more affordable $1,000, giving Google a distinct advantage with a $200 price difference. But the deal sweetens further as Google throws in a free second-generation Pixel Watch at the launch event, providing unmatched value. Pixel 8 Pro raises the bar with a remarkable 2400 nits of peak brightness, outshining the iPhone 15 Pro Max 2000 nits. This promises a visually stunning experience, especially in bright conditions. The main camera performance of the iPhone 15 Pro Max is lauded for its 24-megapixel shots and excellent dynamic range, thanks to a higher resolution output. Nevertheless, the Pixel 8 Pro takes the lead in terms of its ultra-wide lens, boasting 48 megapixels and a wider aperture. Google also introduced Video Boost with the Pixel 8 Pro, using AI to enhance details in HDR, making it a formidable competitor to the iPhone 15 Pro Max's video performance. It's particularly impressive in low-light situations, offering a fresh perspective on smartphone videography. In terms of raw performance, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, powered by the A17 Pro chip, dominates. However, Google's Tensor G3 chip incorporates advanced AI features, making the Pixel 8 Pro arguably the smartest smartphone on the market. Features like the Magic Editor and an enhanced Google Assistant set it apart. Be sure to take all these factors into account when making your decision. Stay tuned for more tech updates, and I'll catch you in the next video.